Want to learn all the ins and outs of using Google? We are here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you all the basics of using Google Search. Now let's get started. To do a basic Google search, open your preferred web browser and go to google.com. Click in the text box under the Google logo and type in whatever you're looking for. Google may make suggestions based on things other people have searched for. Click on one of the suggestions or hit the Enter key on your keyboard to search. At the top of the search results page, you may see an AI overview provided by Google Gemini. Gemini AI can gather the most relevant information from search results to give you a concise summary, making it easy to find the info you're searching for right away. Scroll down the page and view all the results of your search. Read the smaller text below a search result to get an idea of what it's about. Click on the larger colored text to open a result. If you want to keep your search page open and not navigate away from it, right-click on the colored text, then click Open Link in New tab. If you're looking for a specific type of search result, you can look at the different categories like images, videos, news, and more. To find images with Google Search, go to images.google.com. Click the text box in the middle of the page and type in what you're looking for. Then hit Enter on your keyboard. Click Tools to access search filters. Google may suggest more specific searches related to your search near the top of the page. Another common thing you might want to do is reverse image search. This can help you find a product or find the source of an image. To do a reverse image search, go to images.google.com, then click on the camera icon to search by image. Click Upload a file. Locate the image on your computer, then click Open. You'll be taken to a page of results with matches or similarities to the image you uploaded. To search for videos on Google, click in the search bar. Then type what you're looking for. Click Videos at the top of your screen. You may find video links or YouTube channels related to your search. Click on a link to open it, or right-click on the colored text and select Open Link in New tab. There are other types of searches offered by Google as well. Click Maps to see location results for your search. Click Shopping to see search results with products you can purchase. Click More to find other types of search results, like books and forums. To search Google by voice, click the microphone icon on the homepage. You may see a window asking permission to access your computer's microphone. Click Allow. Then, say out loud what you would like to search for. A page of search results will open the same way as it would if you typed in your search keywords. This makes it easy to search for things even if you have a hard time using a keyboard or don't want to type out what you're looking for. That does it for our beginner's guide to using Google Search. Want to learn how to use the new Circle to Search feature on Google mobile apps? Watch this video next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.